Hi everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and congrats on making your drip campaigns. And now you're ready to start sending out those messages. But first, let's go over how to actually import your leads into Textdrip first. So now we offer several different ways for our customers to import leads. We have things in place like our browser extension, which you can download here in the bottom right-hand corner. We also have several integrations in place like Argos Automation and Automation Studios, and you can also import your leads directly through our buckets option. Now, today we're going to go over how to import leads into a CSV file and how to actually manually add contacts. Now, to import leads, you must create a comma-separated values file. This is better known as a CSV file. Now, this is how a CSV file is usually formatted. Now, a CSV file is a plain text file used to store data in a simple table-like format, as you can see. Creating a CSV file is really easy. Just use a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Word or Google Sheets and use the Save As option to save your file into a CSV file format, and then you are good to go. As you can see at the top, this is where the header columns are actually located. The first column is your customer's first name, followed by the last name, phone number, email, street address, city, state, and zip code. Now, if your column has a header, make sure it has data underneath it. You'll also notice there are no special characters. Make sure there are no empty columns because this can cause issues during your upload. You can also add up to 5 custom fields. This is a way to help map out your leads for our merge fields on your drip campaigns. Now that we have the correct CSV file, let's go ahead and go back to Textdrip. Now, if you would like to go ahead and import that particular CSV file, you can just go here to where it says import. From import, you simply select where it says choose a file. Then you're going to go ahead and find a file that you would like to upload. Click on open and then click on upload. Now, you want to make sure that all your columns match and are aligned. So you will go through and make sure everything is properly mapped out. Now, you will notice we only have the asterisk next to first name and phone number because those are the most important things you would like to have to be able to send out an actual drip campaign. Once you have the information here filled out, then you're going to scroll down here to the bottom. From here, you're going to actually select a phone number or multiple phone numbers to actually send out that drip campaign to. Then from here, you're going to actually choose whether you're going to have it go into a drip campaign or a bucket. From here, you're going to also select the campaign that you would like to actually send out to those customers. If you like, you can also assign a tag. You can also assign duplicate contacts. You can also skip any invalid contacts too as well. Now, after you do that, you're going to go ahead and click here to where we have proceed. Before you dive into your upload, you'll see a pop-up with some key detail features. This estimated approximate charges message will give you a snapshot on how many leads are in your file, how long it'll take each drip, the estimated cost of sending out your campaign. This estimated represents the potential cost of every drip message that reach every single lead. Now, once you hit yes, you agree, your contacts will be uploaded smoothly. Then you'll see a green banner celebrating your success, showing how many contacts were actually uploaded and how many were blocked by our system. However, let's just say that you want to go ahead and add in your customers into Textdrip 1 or 2 at a time. Now, let's just say you want to go ahead and add in your customers manually. Well, you can do that directly through our contact field. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to select where it has actions. You'll also see that you can import a CSV file from here too as well. You're going to click here to where it says add contact. From here, you're going to put in your customer's information. You'll notice we only have the asterisk next to first name and phone number once again, because that's the most important information to actually upload your customers into Textdrip. Once you have in the information here, then you're going to scroll down here to the bottom. If you like, you can add that customer to a drip campaign, but you don't have to. You're going to select the phone number you would like for their messages to come from. Then you're going to actually go ahead and click on save. And then just like that, you have actually added your contacts right into Textdrip. Now, as you can see, it's really, really easy to add your contacts into Textdrip, whether it's a CSV file or just adding your contacts in manually at a time. So go ahead and add in your contacts today. Now, for more information or more details on how to add contacts or any other integration features that I actually mentioned here today, you can always book a demo, click on the Help tab, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, information is subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thank you, everybody. Bye.